Scanning.
Where's teacher? Oh, okay. He's gonna help me with the speaker.
Hi, Tita.
What's up, man? How you doing?
Good, thank you. You?
Good, good.
Here muna lang tayo.
Okay.
Here muna. To see the overwhelming response to Hello Love Again, both locally and internationally.
We're very grateful, and at the same time, we just couldn't be, thankful to all the people who have seen and support and showing love and support for the film. So we're just so happy with everything that has been happening.
I guess what's interesting is you get to watch it with different audiences, especially your US. Is there, I guess when you see the other, are you like studying or seeing how they react? Does it teach you anything about yourself or like just the way Filipinos in other places think? Not just Married it, but anytime you've watched with international audiences.
Actually, not just international audience. We've noticed when we were doing rounds in Manila, sa iba-ibang malls, you'll see different age groups, which is really interesting. And then ngayon, pagpunta din, we have, diba, meet and greet and all. So you see different people from different age group, different line of work. Nakakatuwa na lahat sila nanonood ng movie. So really, it doesn't matter if you're single or you have a family or you can bring your friends. Yeah, it's the kind of movie na you can watch even alone. So it depends on you.
In fair, may mga alone kanina.
No, meron!
Dudes rolling solo. It was cool.
Yeah, so yeah.
What do you think contributed the most in the film's success?
I'm sorry?
What do you think contributed the most in the film's success? Like, for example, the story, the performances, or the chemistry you guys have both?
I think it's basically parang ano po yan because we're telling a story of two individuals who are in the spectrum of the OFW world. I think that's a kind of a universal message that everyone can relate to and everyone can understand. And yun, parang bonus na lang din po yung mga nakikita nilang other scenes, and the chemistry of course came in naturally for both of us. So moreover that, I think it's really the story of OFWs that goes through the audience as they watch the film.
Yan, parang lahat yes may contribution. But syempre, the people who made time for it, sila yung may biggest contribution dito kasi binigyan nila ng chance yung movie. And from the very beginning, yun lang naman yung hinihingi namin, 2 hours of their time. Kasi this movie is really special to us. So, lahat ng success ngayon, we are really big part of it. So, tulong-tulong lahat.
And talk us, this is a story about OFWs, love, sadness, happiness, and all lahat. Were there any moments when you're filming that made you guys emotional, like, oh my gosh, this is what they go through and this is how they love hard, they work hard, and I know. Was there any moments that you felt really emotional, that you wanted to cry or whatever?
Yeah,
Yung nadala natin yung scene, parang ganun.
Oh, mabigat ako. It was tough during those times. Meron din akong ibang, nangyayari sa buhay ko, even the characters, and then you get to talk to these people. Yeah, it was hard for us, I think. Lahat kami may pinagdadaanan din during that time, but yung important siguro kung paano and sino yung mga tumulong sa amin to overcome that. And yes, parang kailangan lang naman pumunta kami lahat sa work ng maayos and magawa namin ng scenes ng maayos. And iba rin siguro kapag nakakausap mo sila personally, like, when they share their stories. Nakalungkot pero nakaka-inspire. Yun yung important, lahat ng Pinoy, kung paano sila bumangon from that.
Well, I guess lastly, you guys, at this rate, you're probably going to break the 1 billion mark tonight. And I guess the part is like everyone's watching it Sabay. Before it used to be, we'll release a movie in Manila, but we won't see it in America till 3 weeks later. Just how does it feel that everyone is watching it together at the same time? It's parang walang spoiler, walang mga ganon. Everyone can, I can go there, this OFW from here. It's like, do you feel that that helped contribute to the speed and success and just the overall good vibes everyone a unifying force right now.
Yeah, definitely po. Kasi halos lahat ng mga kababayans natin, not only in the Philippines, but globally actually.
Yeah.
And we feel it here now that we are in in LA, in the US. Nakikita po namin yung support ang binibigay nila sa pelikula. And I really think that most of yung sa kabuuan po that the movie has been experiencing, there's a lot to be thankful for, especially to our kababayans here abroad, because this is their story, and we're just very happy and we're very fulfilled na the support that we've been getting is far beyond our expectations.
Yes, and more than anything, I think parang everyone nagse-celebrate, especially nung paalis kami siguro ng Manila, going here, and yung pag-welcome ng mga tao dito every time may mamimit kami. Kita mo lang yung warmth ng lahat, like masaya lahat sa nangyayari sa Philippine cinema, which is really a good thing. So nakakatuwa na lahat tayo nagtulong-tulong to support this Filipino-made film. And sana, hindi lang ito, sana lahat ng mga dadali natin pelikula dito, tayo mismo yung tutulong. So sa lahat ng tumutulong sa amin in the Philippines and in the US and all over the world, just thank you kasi lahat ng tulong talaga kailangan namin. So kaya siguro ganito yung resulta because of all the helps ng lahat ng mga tao.
Ready na ba kayo? Kulang pa. Ready na ba kayo? Well, here we go. Please give a warm welcome to your favorite love team, Catherine Bernardo and Alden Richards.
Hello po, magandang gabi po. So first of all po, we would like to thank everyone for attending tonight's screening. And nagustuhan niyo ba yung movie? Maraming salamat po, and it's nice to see all of you guys.
Hi everyone, good evening! Sana na-enjoy niyo yung movie. And we are here to answer a few of your questions. So,
because we're going up, and as we go up, sit down na girls. Thank you. Baby girl, sit down na.